Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a review on Zendrop. Should you use Zendrop for dropshipping? Zendrop is an all-in-one dropshipping service that makes it easy to find and fulfill orders of products to sell through your online store. With Zendrop, you can source millions of products to sell, automate order fulfillment, leverage faster shipping from US warehouses, sync real-time tracking information to your store, and manage everything from a single dashboard. So this enables dropshipping without the typical hassles of manual order processing, long shipping times, and the poor handling of the branding control. So Zendrop aims to provide reliable suppliers, efficient fulfillment, and polished customer experience, but how well does it deliver on those promises? We're going to be talking about pros and cons of using Zendrop for your own e-commerce dropshipping business. First, we gotta mention that Zendrop offers integrations with several popular e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and Commerce HQ. This allows you to connect Zendrop to your online store for automated order fulfillment. The Shopify integration is especially valuable given Shopify's dominance in e-commerce. With Zendrop for Shopify, you can easily import products to your Shopify store, manage orders from your Shopify dashboard, and receive real-time shipping updates. So if you don't currently have a Shopify store, you can easily start with your free trial of Shopify using the link in our description. You would get the offer to have any kind of membership on Shopify for only $1 per month for 3 consecutive months. This is a limited time offer, so make sure you make use of it. Having used Shopify and Zendrop together, I can confirm that the integration is quick and intuitive to set up. Zendrop also seamlessly connects you with WooCommerce and Commerce HQ stores for unified product catalogs, order management, and fulfillment. Beyond the e-commerce platform integrations, let's explore the core features and advantages that Zendrop provides for managing your dropshipping operations. First off, we have the fast shipping. Zendrop offers much faster shipping from US-based suppliers with delivery to customers in as little as 2 to 4 days. This is a major upgrade from the 2 to 4 week times typical of ordering from AliExpress or overseas. Faster shipping means happier customers, lower return rates, and fewer logistical issues. Automated fulfillment is another great key benefit. Once connected, Zendrop automatically handles sourcing, ordering, packing, and shipping your customer orders. This saves countless hours compared to manual order processing. And their auto-fulfillment also reduces errors that occur with manual work. Zendrop provides dedicated support teams based in the US to help resolve any issues that come up quickly and effectively with agents that are mostly familiar with the US-based suppliers and logistics. You will also get the amazing product variety, scalable pricing, and analytics and insights. It provides analytics on top-selling items, margins, order frequency, fulfillment times, and other KPIs to optimize your sales and marketing. So in summary, Zendrop aims to automate, speed up, and add branding to the dropshipping model for easier management at scale. As for some potential downsides to Zendrop, while Zendrop makes dropshipping easier in many ways, there are some potential drawbacks to consider. We've got the higher product costs. Sourcing products from US warehouses can be pricier than wholesale Chinese manufacturers on AliExpress. This lowers margins unless you increase the retail pricing. You also have smaller product selection. Despite having over 1 million products, selection is still smaller compared to Alibaba or AliExpress. These two host billions of manufacturers and cheap mass-produced items. You'll also be getting fewer niche and trendy items with that one as well. So for niche products like pop culture merch or cutting-edge gadgets, in my opinion, AliExpress sellers are often first to the market, so Zendrop's catalog leans more towards broad kind of appeal items. You also can't meet customer acquisition costs, as for lower average order values, Zendrop fees paired with pricier US products can prevent profitability after advertising costs are factored in. So this carries inventory risk overall, as there is a risk of getting stuck with unsold inventory if you import and customize products upfront based on forecasts versus the orders. So while Zendrop solves many of the dropshipping problems, it comes with a trade-off to consider regarding product selection, costs, and the risks. So now let's look at more of the sourcing products to sell. Zendrop makes it easy to search their catalog for over 1 million products to find items ideal for your online store across categories that include home and kitchen, electronics, beauty and health, clothing and accessories, and automotive, and so much more. They offer filtering by keywords, price range, supplier location, reviews, etc. to narrow down your options. So if you can't find a specific product, Zendrop allows you to import the items from AliExpress to their platform in just a few clicks. And this kind of unique hybrid model gives you the combined selection of US-based and overseas Chinese suppliers when sourcing hot-selling products. So as mentioned before, Zendrop offers much faster shipping than overseas dropshipping, with most US source products arriving to customers in just 2 to 4 days. They're able to meet Amazon Prime-like shipping speeds by keeping US inventory on key products and working with domestic suppliers. For more context regarding this, AliExpress standard shipping often takes 2 to 4 weeks in comparison. So if shipping speed is important to your customers or the business model, then Zendrop has a clear advantage. Let's now discuss some of the pricing and the plans breakdown. Zendrop offers several pricing plans scaled to your monthly order volume. You've got the free plan, which is best for beginners to test Zendrop, the pro plans with a bunch of extra features that you might find interesting, and it comes at $49 per month, and the most inclusive kind of plan, which is the plus plan, which comes at $79 per month. While their free plan is great for getting started, you can then upgrade as your order volume increases. Zendrop's pricing is competitive and affordable compared to other all-in-one dropshipping solutions. Overall, I think Zendrop is one of the top dropshipping solutions available today thanks to their US and EU suppliers. You also have the stellar automation and the focus on premium branding. So if you're ready to step up from AliExpress dropshipping, Zendrop is absolutely worth trying out. And that sums up our complete Zendrop review. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that this kind of analysis was helpful for you. If it was, let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create in the future.